John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take. And today I get to do one of my most favorite things, that's unbox a brand new model that you haven't seen before. Let me give you a couple numbers that'll put things in perspective. 360 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Those were two numbers that dominated the muscle car scene in 1970, and surprisingly enough, they came from Buick. Now, Buick had a couple of years of lackluster attempts at the high horsepower thing, but they really didn't compare well to the Cobra Jets, SS396s, and some of the big block mid-sized cars. But in 1970, all of that changed. Buick entered the horsepower race, and what they did was they knocked the door down, hammered the competition, and sent them home with their tail between their legs. And I'm talking about the 1970 Buick GSX 455 Stage 1. Now, Elmo's models gave us the Apollo White last year. It was a spectacular model. They've done it again this year in Saturn Yellow. It's the only two colors that GSX was available in was Apollo White and Saturn Yellow. They all had black interiors. The GSX package was $1,195. Made the whole car under $4,000. They made a total of only 678 of them. 491 were yellow, 197 were white, 199 came with 4 speeds, 479 came in automatic. Now, 278 came with a standard 455, but they made 400 with a Stage 1, and the Stage 1 was the one that kicked butt all around the place. Stage 1 was $199, and it made it the quickest American car in 1970. 0 to 60, 5.8 seconds, quarter mile, 13.38 seconds, 105.5 miles an hour. That's some serious acceleration. So the car came with the hood tack, it had raised white letter tires, just a beautiful car. And so Elmo's has given us a model in the Saturn Yellow. Now, they're numbered, limited edition. This one is number 2. They've got a card with all of the standard equipment on it, all the specs on the back, pretty handy. Let's take a look at the model itself. Now, I'll give you a link to take a look at the review we did on the Apollo White one last year. But this one here is Saturn Yellow, and this thing just pops. The finish is flawless. Brooklyn's done a great job on the striping. The hood tack is there, the sport mirrors, separate handles on the doors. The striping looks fantastic. Grille is very dimensional looking. GSX badges are done in multi-colors. And on this model, they've given us the rally wheels with raised white letter tires. Now those are decals, but Brooklyn's done a really good job of putting them on. And you know, you might be able to compare this if you got the Apollo White one and say, gee, I don't have the raised white letter tires. Was a special bonus and news for everybody. If you ordered the white one, Mo Brown is going to put a set of decals in your box on the yellow one so that you can put them on your white model as well, and they'll look like twins. It's just a fantastic model, very limited in numbers. They only made 50 of the Apollo White ones, made a few more of the yellow ones, but they're still very limited in number. And if you haven't picked up one yet, Mo still has 1 or 2 models left. You got to give him a call right away. I don't know if you watched the secondary market on the white one, but the prices skyrocketed right after they sold out. So this is from Elmo's Models. Now, Elmo's Models is a joint venture between Mo and Elliot. Elmo, Mo and Elliot Brown, and what they're doing is they've got a service available to you. They'll help you sell your cars if you've got cars you want to sell, but what they're really good at is finding a model. So you're looking for a special model in your collection, maybe there's a holy grail that you haven't been able to get hands on yet. They've got a lot of resources, a lot of contacts. You can contact them. You can contact Mo Brown at mbrown2262 at AOL.com. I'll put that up here. I'll also put a link to the Apollo White one now. So this is my take on Elmo's Models 1970 Buick GSX Stage 1 in Saturn Yellow. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the videos as much as I enjoy making them. If you did, do me a favor. Would you click on the like button, the thumbs up down there? I'd love to have you as a subscriber so you can keep up on all the news we have here on My Take. Thanks for tuning in.